how to back up all data on Android phone before factory reset. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can back up all data on Android before factory reset. To back up all your data on Android device before performing a factory reset, you can use the inbuilt feature which is Google Backup Service. For that, scroll down from the top of your screen and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, and this will take you to the settings page. Once you reach to the settings, here scroll down to find Google option. Once you locate the Google option, simply tap on it, and inside it look for the backup option. Also, sometimes you'll be able to see this option as backup and restore or backup and reset. Here I could see manage backup option in this screen. Simply tap on this option. Now you will need to make sure backup to Google Drive is turned on. If not, simply tap on the toggle button at the right side in order to do so. Once it is turned on, tap on this backup now to manually start a backup. This backup includes apps and app data, contacts, call history, device settings, SMS text messages, photos and videos, and calendar events. Once you have done this, after the factory reset, when you sign in back to your Google account during the device setup, you can restore all this data automatically. Alternatively, you may also manually copy the important files such as photos, music, documents via USB to your computer for safe backup. So this is how you can back up all the data on Android before factory reset. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.